There's one habit that wrecked my trading process, and I bet a lot of you are doing it too. I'll get to that in a minute. But first, let's look at the trade I skipped, the one I took, and we'll see if I can finally end my losing streak this week. So there were two setups for A longs that I didn't take this morning. I just wanted to show those. The first one there were the entries just above the opening range high. I didn't like the strength of the pullback. I didn't like that it was back in the opening range. And I also didn't like how much the MA was starting to flatten out. This is the trade that I do take. It's an A short.
And jump. And you might think, what if I fall? Well, what if you don't? What if you fly?
Great, I passed my discipline challenge again. That's 2 days in a row. We'll see if I can break my losing streak in a minute. But first, I wanted to talk about the worst thing you can do for your trading process: listening to other traders' live streams while you trade. A couple years ago, I fell into this trap hard. It started with Rips. I was trying to copy his trades and I lost a lot of money doing it. Then I moved over to Top Step TV. I liked having it on while I traded, and I probably had it running every morning, sometimes into the afternoon, for over a year. At some point, I started wondering, why are they streaming every day? They didn't have ads before the streams, so they're not making YouTube money. I didn't see any like super chats or anything coming in. Then, not that long ago, I saw a video from Cami Capital, another one that I watched sometimes. He's out of New Zealand and he would do like an afternoon stream, my time. Anyways, in that video, he shared how much money he made in just 2 years with 44,000 subscribers doing a live stream every day. And it was $3 million. And most of that came from affiliate links and prop firm promo codes. I was pretty shocked by this. And that's when I started noticing that all the streamers have, I'd noticed this before, but now I really was paying attention for it, that they all had the affiliate links and the promo codes for prop firms. And then I started reflecting on my own experience listening and just realized how much it actually hurt my trading. That I would go off plan because somebody else was doing something else, or I wanted to get an easy trade in, and following someone who's a much better trader, more successful, more profitable than me seemed like an easy way for a quick win. So I ended up taking random trades and blowing accounts doing this. I don't know if this mirrors your own experience at all with this, but some of my worst, most emotionally charged tilt days came from this exact situation. I'd have, say, like a perfect A short coming up, but I had Top Step TV on, and I'd hear someone like Dakota say that he was thinking longs, or he was looking for long summer, or he was in a long, and I wouldn't take my setup. Instead, in the worst case scenario, I'd jump into his trade, being like, well, he knows way more than I know. He's way more successful than me. Why would I go against him? I'd jump into his long. I'd lose, and I'd watch my trade, the short that I wanted to take, win without me. That would just set me off and oftentimes lead to a blown account. It just happened way too many times. I can't believe that I watched live traders or listened to them while I was trading as long as I did. Um, the last time that I listened to a live trader was a few months ago, and I had Patrick Wieland on. He's huge. He's always like on the leaderboard of Apex and other prop firms. So he can trade. He's making money trading, but he's also making a ton of money on those prop firm affiliate links and promo codes. Anyways, it was a Friday mid morning, close to lunch. I shouldn't have been trading. Like, I should have just been done for the day, but I had him on, and it was just like choppy garbage conditions. And I, in my head, was like, these are not my setups. There's nothing to trade here. I shouldn't even be watching. And then he said, F it, I'm going long. And then I wanted to trade. So I was like, yeah, F it, I'm going long too. I got in long with him. The trade lost. And he was like, okay, whatever. I'm done for the day. Bye, guys. He closes it up. And I'm like, no, this long's going to work. I get back into the long, loses again. Long story short, did, I don't even know how much damage I did to my little personal account that day, but after that, I had to stop trading the account because it was in such rough shape. So that's when I really knew I can never listen to other traders live streaming while I'm trading. I also realized that every time I blew up an account while listening to their stream and went and reset or bought another one, they're making money off of it. So I don't think they're at all intentionally trying to screw with your process or make you blow up accounts so you spend more money. Like Cami Capital said, they're trading, I'm trading at the same time, they're going to use these evals anyways, they're going to need these resets, so I might as well make money off it. And it's like, yeah, I totally get what he's saying there and it makes perfect sense. But also, I don't know if they realize how much their live streams and their input in your ear is ruining your trading because for me anyways, I'm looking at them as the better trader. They know more than me. I don't want to go against them even when my plan says go against them. um, so that was it. No more, never doing it. If you do it, stop for a while and see how you do, because it's made such a huge difference in my trading and my ability to follow my own process, not having that playing in the background, what other people are doing in their trades. Someone asked me in the comments on here if I would, if I was going to start doing live streams or consider it. And right away, I was just like, no, absolutely not. I'm never doing live streams. I don't care how much money you could potentially make from it. I don't want to do that to people because I've just been there so much. Um, so I said no and I shut it down. But then I thought about it more and I was like, I'm not going to live stream while I trade ever. But if you guys, wanted it sometime, we could do a live stream just to talk, discipline, do like a review, and then also strategy because I get so many strategy questions and I haven't made the video yet. I'm going to. But yeah, like it might be fun to just talk to other traders sort of in similar situations and we could discuss strategy and things that we've done. So I might do live streams at some point in that way, not in the I'm trading, watch me trade live way. I'll never do that. All right, let's see how this trade played out for me here. Started off looking really good. I didn't watch it. I'm glad I didn't watch it. I think it's just a habit that I really need to get back into. Yeah, so it came within 2 points of my 36-point target. It was a 24-point stop on this one, 36-point target. I'm still sized down on the 2 micros, so I was risking about $99 on this trade. It was a perfect A short. I loved the trade. I actually felt good going into this one, and I never feel good going into the trades. So that says something. I actually considered sizing up for this. Trade lost, so the losing streak continues. Ugh. But I'm really glad I sized down. It's only $100. The funded account is still, at like 26,000 or something, so it's not a big deal. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, leave a like, comment, subscribe. I want to know what if you've fallen into the same trap that I fell into for over a year, which seems insane, of letting other traders affect your trading, like having other traders live streaming and listening to it and letting that mess up your process. So I want to know if you did that and who were your favorite ones to listen to. I really liked Rips, but that was really bad for my trading. Patrick was entertaining. I liked Top Step TV, and I think those were the only ones I listened to. But yeah, I'd love to hear from you on it, and I will see you back here tomorrow.